Hello, if you've been looking for an interactive tool to teach your early years, your pre-K, your kindergartens, and your early graders, you're welcome to this video because I'm going to be showing you how to use this beautiful, colorful, and amazing interactive tool. Okay, now let's dive right into it. Starfall. Now when you log in into the site, this is the interface you're going to be seeing. Okay, now over here it has three sections: the math section, language, art, and music section, and then the seasonal section. We are in Valentine, Christmas period, any season, Halloween, any season. When you come over here, you will get the seasonal content. Okay, now over here, if you are a math teacher, just head over here, select an activity, and go ahead to explore it with your young learners, your learners. Okay, now over here we have this activity. I'm going right there into it to show you how you can use this activity, and I will let you explore the other options. Okay, now over here, when you select this, over here gives you the options to select a particular over here gives you the option to select a particular over here gives you the options to select a particular alphabet you want to teach your learner. And when you select that, you're going to be seeing the uppercase and the lowercase, and also the sound with so many activities with an object, so many objects related to the alphabet sound you have selected. Okay, now let's see. Once you get into here, this is the uppercase and this is the lowercase. Okay, before you go over to the next activity, you can actually explore this, teach the children how to write this alphabet. You can actually do lots of activities here. If you're using Zoom, just use the annotation to teach the child how to draw, how to annotate, and how to write. Sorry, you can go over here, a stroke. Oh, this is in red color. Let me change it. Let me use black. You can just go over learning how to write, a stroke down, another stroke down, and a dash. You can actually tell the child to do so. If you are using Zoom is a very interactive tool. If you don't know how to use Zoom, please do learn how to use them. Okay, if you really want me to make a video on how you can use Zoom, I will make a video for you and show you how to use Zoom and have an interactive class with your learner. Okay, so over here, because I'm using Zoom and I'm sharing my screen, my learner can be able to do exactly this thing I'm doing on the screen. Okay, so this is it. After tracing through the sound, the uppercase, I'll trace through the lowercase, and then I'll tell my learner to do as well, and they will go ahead and do so, making the class very, very interactive. Okay, not just for them to sit and see, watch you make the whole writing, talking, and everything. But with Zoom and Starfall, you can be able to achieve interactivity and engagement in your class. Once you're done doing this, you tell your learner to do it. You see them tracing through just like you have done. You've achieved teaching them letters, the alphabet, letter, the uppercase and the lowercase, and then you achieve teaching them how to write this alphabet. Okay, when they are done doing this, you can actually tell them to write inside their book. Yeah, Okay, so when you're done with this, you can explore even the spaces here and tell a child to do same. The uppercase, you have so many spaces here for you to do that. The lowercase, you practice, 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 and all that. Okay, so when you're done with this practice, you can go over to this side. Go over to this side where you're seeing the star. Go over to learn the sound that the alphabet makes. Okay, and here we have ah. If you actually heard it, it made the sound ah. Yes, and this is the object. Okay, it has brought out another object for you to see. Now when you touch it, teaching the child sound in a child-friendly way, apple, and the child is seeing the apples. Even before you tell the child that this is an apple, they already know what an apple is. And with that, they can relate it to the sound that they are seeing. Okay, ah is the sound of the letter A. Ah for apple. Okay, now let's see. It's going to bring up another look here, another object that has the letter sound ah. Okay, and this is what it's going to tell you even before the tool tells the child the name of the object. The child can actually look at it and say, this is an alligator. Okay, alligator. And the animation is even making the thing very, very interesting. You can also explore here, learn about writing it, emphasize about the uppercase, the lowercase, the sound it makes, the writing and all that. Okay, so when you go ahead and touch, it will still make the sound, and then when you touch it again, it will bring out very, 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 very engaging, captivating too. Okay, so when you're done, there are so many activities. Okay, there are so many objects that has the beginning sound ah, and you can explore this. Like I said, if you're using Zoom, go ahead and explore it. Use the writing tool over there, and okay, here's the writing tool. Use it to make the class interactive. Don't just be showing the picture and the sound and everything. Make the class interactive. Deploy ways to use the two tools to make the class interactive for your learner. When you're done, use this button over here and move back to the menu. So over here in the menu, you can also select any of the alphabets depending on what you are teaching the child, and you can use this in your online classes, you can use it in your home tutoring, you can use it in your classroom teaching. Okay, just go ahead, study the tool and know how best you can use it to help your learners. Okay, here is for coloring. Make sure you have a strong internet connection for it to be able to work to load really fast. Okay, now over here, you want to teach a child color, you can explore the colors over here and teach a child. Okay, so let's check out for reading. I do not want this video to be so long, that is why I'm a bit faster. Okay, now when you know, here is for language, arts and music, and all about me is also a topic in language arts. Okay, so here we've looked at ABC. You learn to read, it's fun to read. Reading, we have the talking library for listening comprehension. Okay, and don't forget, over here you can just select the graders, the age or the class of your learners and their age at growth. Okay, so that is for this calendar. in the talking library, you have the non-fiction, you have the fiction. As you can see here, I did not sign in, so whether you sign in or not, you can use the tool. And one beautiful thing I love about this tool is that there is no ad, unlike some other tools that you'll be using, other online tools you'll be using, you'll be experiencing so much ads. It's not like that over here. Okay, so I'm going to select one of the talking books here, and let's explore it and know what is there. Good, this is it. Now over here, before you go ahead to start reading, if your child is someone that have mastered reading, you've taught him the fundamentals of reading, you can just start your class here by telling the child to read this. Okay, you can explore colors just from here, and you can even do picture reading. Ask the child, what do you think is going on here, who do you think this is, and all that. Okay, so tap 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 over here to move to the next page. Once you tap on it, it will start talking. Of course, it's a talking library, so it's reading out the story for your child to listen and understand, and also ask questions. If you're doing a reading comprehension, okay, so over here are the controls. You can move it a little bit faster, the volume and all that. Okay, so this way. If you notice, it was bringing up, it was highlighting the particular one. It was highlighting the particular sentences it was reading. Okay, anyone it's reading it one at a time, one sentence at a time, it will highlight it. And one beautiful thing about this is if there's a word you want to teach a child, let's say you're teaching spelling or vocabulary, you can come over to the page and pick out the words, and when you get to that particular place where you want that child to learn a particular word, you can just click on it. Did you see? As in emphasize on the word, and later on you can just use a spelling tool like word and use it as a spelling bee for your child. Okay, so that is it for the talking library. This video is getting longer. I do not want it to get longer than this, so I will let you go ahead and explore it, and let me know in the comments if you need any help or any assistance go navigating through any other aspect of this tool. Okay, and I will be there to answer. Do not hesitate to send out this video to other people who might find it useful, and do not forget to also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. If you have any tool you need and you want to learn how to use it, go ahead and let me know, and I will make a video on how to use the tool. Okay, till then, see you. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.